Hello, everyone. I'm Danny Pryor with a 60-second Labor Day news brief on Turnpikes.com. The state of Texas has announced it is ending its contract with an overseas company that has been running the State Highway 288 express toll lanes near Houston. In a news release, the Texas Department of Transportation announced it will take back control of the SH-288 managed toll lanes starting in October. Long-term, authorities say the move will reduce future toll increases and permit construction of more free lanes on the roadway. 2 years after Hurricane Ian wiped out the Sanibel Causeway near Fort Myers, the Florida Department of Transportation continues work on a permanent restoration of that bridge. Traffic approaching the bridge has been reduced to one lane while that restoration continues, which officials now say will not be completed until about 2027. Finally this week, it's back to the drawing board in Oklahoma after public outcry against access roads adjacent to a new Turnpike extension connecting to Norman, south of Oklahoma City. Officials with the Oklahoma Turnpike Authority have announced they are scrapping the plan and will redesign a 28-mile segment of that extension. We'll be back next week with our regular toll news update. Until then, enjoy the holiday, drive safely, and thanks for watching and listening from Turnpikes.com, the Turnpike Authority.